tuk-tuk ride through the capital city of Phnom Penh on the way to the Royal Palace. Right on the banks of the Mekongriver. Okay. The road in front of the King's Palace is cordoned off for traffic, so you can stand in the middle of the road and take all the videos you want. And people like to feed pigeons around here. It's not open yet, so I'm going to walk over there to check that out and then come back here. Apparently this used to be the National Assembly before, and now it's the Supreme Court. Wow. Fantastic. That's the ticket booth. It opens from 8 to 5 p.m. You buy the ticket for $10 US, and then you walk in through the gantry. But at least some areas you can't video, so let's see what I can do. I do it where it's allowed. That there is the main palace. Just to give you a brief glimpse of what it looks like. Beyond this is no videos allowed inside, so I'm just going to take a peek in. And this is the Coronation Hall. Apparently looks like some place for public functions. I've noticed there are 4 gates, and the whole palace complex is overlooking the Mekong River. as always, a Garuda and a Vishnu riding on top. Small museum that one visits. Not a whole lot to look inside, but it's interesting. You can see some of the royal costumes. And it's this building right next to the throne room. I could see the throne from the outside, but you're not allowed to film inside, so it looks like a throne. Warm sunny day. And everything looking nice and bright. And this is the silver pagoda.
This is the silver pagoda compound. We call what Pekal Morakot.
Check out the wall murals. And the pagoda in the back. You have a brief glimpse of what the murals look like. It's all the ancient stories of Khmer kings, and looks like the Ramayana. You'll find comparatively similar things at the Thai Royal Palace in Bangkok in Thailand. That's spectacular. This is just as good. Looking directly into the sun. Ooh, it's not so good. Okay, so that's King Norodom, I think the first, 1860. More murals. Okay, a tip for you. When you come over here to visit the Royal Palace and most of the religious monuments around here, you have to wear conservatively. If you're not wearing long pants or long skirts, then you'll have to borrow a sarong to cover your knees. So you should be covered from knees below as well. So I'm wearing full pants, which I almost never do otherwise. When you walk along the corridors that line all four sides of this massive complex, you get all the stories of the Ramayana. In some places it's in a state of disrepair, so you'll find that murals have disappeared and you just see exposed cement. I gotta be careful, this is a little wet in here for some reason. There's a lot of construction and restoration going on, so there's places that I'm not allowed to go inside anyway, no one is. So we'll just check out what we can. When I say we, it means you and I, the viewers. I often use we, us, although it's just me. That's because I'm taking you along with me on the journeys that I go on. Just a view from one corner of the complex. There's no footwear here, which means it's a shrine. A shrine for the Buddha. I'm going to check that building out and see if they allow video recording. If not, then I'll just take it from the outside, and that's pretty much it. I'll see if I can dig up some information to tell you. Alright, so no pictures, no videos, so just until here. One can go in and come out. I can tell you what that was. That was a shrine, a very large shrine full of Buddha images from different ages and made of stone, made of clay, made of different types of metals like bronze. And in the middle, center of the room, on a very high pedestal, sits a jade Buddha. So this is the temple of the jade Buddha within the palace. And you have to enter without your footwear, so you leave your footwear outside and you come back and wear it again. So let me explore the complex a little bit and see what else is on offer. Well, this stupa actually is supposed to represent Kailasa mountain. It is surrounded by forests. It is cordoned off, it's closed, so I obviously can't get inside. But it's nice and shady. Lots of shade, I mean. And the garden surrounds it like a moat from all sides. All the trees have their botanical names. In some places they've actually put signs to identify the type of trees. Like so. So if you're into classifications of trees and plants, I suppose you would know what you're looking at. Wherever you see no footwear allowed, that's take it from me, it's a shrine. And over there I see a reclining Buddha. Let me see if I can closer look from the outside. One last look at the complex before I head out. The exits are clearly marked and there's a restroom facilities outside the exit. There says restroom and the exit. Well, there's more things outside, including a expo, an exhibition of sorts. Check that out as I make my way towards the main exit. Oh, look. A royal cat, a royal kitten. How cute are you? Royal kitten. Hi, baby. You're so tiny, aren't you? Such a tiny little thing. Cutie pie. Yeah, universal language puss puss. And you have the cats eating from your hand. This is King Jayavarman the 7th. I guess you remember him from all the angkor sites that I took you around in the previous episodes. And if you haven't checked out my previous episodes on my wonderful trip to Siem Reap in Cambodia, please take a moment to do so. And there are lots of cats strolling around inside the palace premises. That's nice. So please take a moment to check out my previous episodes from Siem Reap. Of course, now I am in Phnom Penh, the capital city. I think I'm going to have something to drink here, and very kindly, I suppose as a part of the entrance fee, you get free water. Very thoughtful. You'd need something like that on a hot summer's day. On a hot day, any day is summer here. Alright, let's see. Hot latte, hot americano. Okay, I know what I want. Alright, thanks for joining me on this beautiful journey through the palace complex of the king's palace here in Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia. See you next time. and probably from some other location as I'm leaving Cambodia today. Stay safe, have fun wherever you are. Ciao for now.